Grace called me Sunday evening and they said, Wayne, are you serious about this challenge that you've issued to our brand ambassador Ding Dong for this cook-off? And I said, do I look like I am joking? So they said, all right, perfect. We can pull this together. Let us be the host. We can get this together in 2 days. Are you ready in that time? It's like them have me thing, like joke thing. Them have Chef It Wayne thing as like pram push thing. Some say, I am ready. 2 days. We are talking about 2 days. So basically, they want to do this on the Chilling with Grace series. And I said, all right, it's Ding home turf, but I am ready. There's no weakness to my thing. So people, I'm going to need all the support. When you can drum up and give me in the comment section. All who say Chef It Wayne, make your voice be heard right now. I need all of the I'm not telling a lot of people, I'm kind of nervous because you don't know Ding Dong a giant chef. But I am ready for the challenge. I'm not backing down, people. Ding Dong. Go on like him at the body chef in the world.
Wayne Marshall. From what the area, look a cook thing, look a cook joke and the cooking argument. Anytime we bring.
I'm glad my wife competitive, you know, because I'm built for this, you know.
I got jerk chicken, but
one thing I mash up. Overconfidence.
No, seriously, look for the two big man, I'm a cost over food.
Yes, and Nani, I just said the word, you know.
jerk chicken man, them better know what they want to do.